So if you've ever been trying to do a burnout to try to impress somebody and failed miserably and broke something, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Here at Stainless Works, we're excited to release our Redline and Legend Series exhaust for the Dodge Challenger. So coming from our dual turbo mufflers, you guys are gonna get that aggressive growl sound that Stainless Works is known for. Our Legend Series exhaust is designed to create that signature growl, increase volume over stock, yet maintain a comfortable cabin area. Our Redline Series exhaust is designed to maximize volume and tone, and to get the most aggressive sound out of your ride. So we're offering two different options for tips. The first option connects directly to your OEM tips. Our other option features our polished quad tips. This system features our 3-inch active exhaust valves, which retains your full 3-inch exhaust all the way back. We have a few different products for the Dodge Challenger. You can go with just the headers, mid-pipe, or a catback system. All right guys, so our headers here are available in 1 7/8 and 2-inch primaries. Flanges are 3/8 inch thick stainless steel, giving you that maximum durability. Everything we build here at Stainless Works is constructed of 304 stainless steel. Everything is TIG welded for that appearance, strength, and durability. All of our headers and exhaust system guys are all manual bent for no buckling, so that has that premium optimal flow that you're looking for. And our headers and exhaust guys are proudly made in the US of A, right here in Streetsboro, Ohio. Visit us at stainlessworks.net or give us a call at 800-878-3635.